This is the Microsoft Access program where you'll be learning how to create employee database table, how to create appropriate records, how to sort the records in ascending order, descending order, and how to view the records. First, you have to click on New, click on Blank Database. So for this, I'll give the name as employee 1. Click on create. So first thing, as I told you in the last program, you have to go with the design view where you will be creating the new table, adding the fields. So if I consider the employee as an example, the fields can be employee name, employee age, employee salary, designation, then address. So here also first we'll start with the design view. Give the table name as EMP2. Click on OK. So my first field is employee ID. Let it be number so that in between I can give numbers. Then employee name. Let it be text. Employee age. Let it be number. So one more thing, if you take it as a text, you also can give the numbers there. The limitation is 255, where you can give any number, character, symbol or combination of these. Next, designation. Let it be text. Next, salary. Let it be number. So whenever you want to perform any calculation, better you take it as number. So these fields are enough. We'll go to the datasheet view. First you have to save this. In this datasheet view, you will be entering the records. So let's start with 01. Ashwini. Age is 26. Designation is manager. Salary B 60,000. Next, Ramya. Let the age be 30. Loan officer. Let the salary be 55,000. Next, Bhavya. Let the age be 32. Data processing officer. Let the salary be 45,000. Next, employee Geeta, 45 age. Officer. Let the salary be 70,000. Nitya, let the age be 35. Let the salary be 45,000. So we have entered 5 records. Next thing, we need to sort this records by the names. So they have asked the question like, sort the records in ascending order of names. So I have to select this column, that is the name column, and go to home. Here you can see the filter. So you have the option of ascending order, descending order, and you can change, you can select various different fields. So now I have selected the field. Now I have to click on ascending. So you can see my column is sorted in ascending order. My name column is sorted in ascending order. Next question they have asked is, sort the records in descending order. So I have to select the salary column, that is this column. Now I have to sort this in a descending order. So I have to go to the home tab, click on, so in the filter tab, in the filter, next to filter we can see descending. You can see my salary column is sorted in descending order. And you can also see along with this, the names and the related data is being changed. So when I sort this in the ascending order, salary column is also changed because that is related to this data. And again when I select this column and click on descending, again this got shuffled. That is because the related data will be changing according to the changes made to that particular field. So next thing, we'll view this in different view formats. We'll go to the pivot table view and select each of the fields that we want to view. I'm just dragging and dropping. You have to drag and drop. So this is the pivot view. Here also in the screen bottom left, you will be having the options to see that in the different view formats. Then go to the pivot chart view. So here you have to go to the next view as pivot chart view. Here I have to select the field list. So whichever field I want, I can just drag and drop. If I hold my cursor, you can see 15. Next I will be dragging employee name, age, designation and salary. You can have different views. For that you have to go to design. Then you have to click on change chart type. Click on pie chart. So you can see different charts. So this is what the smooth lines where the fields are seen here. You can see whatever fields I have taken are seen here. So according to your requirement, you can take different charts to view your fields. Thank you.